Did you ever wonder where gondolas come from? Well, for the last 1,000 years, they've been made here in the city of Venice in what they call a squero, or a gondola boatyard. Now consider that back in the 1600s, there were over 40 operating squeri servicing the circa 10,000 gondolas that were then running through the various canals. But today there are only 3 that are servicing the 400 gondolas that are left, which each year need to be repainted and weathered and stored away for the winter. And those squeri look like what you see here behind me. The gondola is a flat bottom boat. They can reach upwards of 11 meters or about 35 feet in length. They're made of 8 different kinds of wood. They are asymmetrical along their longer axis, and they're all painted black as a result of sumptuary laws that were passed in centuries lore, trying to tone down the sumptuousness of these particular boats. Now, they're operated by what we call a gondolier, or a gondolier, who stands at the stern of the boat along one side. Hence the asymmetry, kind of balances the weight. He uses a single oar on a wooden rest known as the focolare, which allows him to perform any number of maneuvers. And the front of the boat has this distinct S-shaped sort of head, which is known as the ferro. Supposedly, it evokes the shape of the Grand Canal, and its 6 teeth, referring to the 6 districts or sestieri of Venice. And I'd like to thank my friend Andrea, who's one of Venice's celebrated gondoliers. He gave us permission to film this beautiful boat of his that you see here. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.